2022 Honda Civic. This is a Honda Civic Sport. I'm going to show you guys how to reset the maintenance light. We're going to be using this scroll button, maybe the home button, and then the scroll button, you could also push it down for like an enter. It's going to be done through the instrument cluster. Let me go ahead and get it closer to the instrument cluster real quick. Hold on. Okay, it's going to be done on this part right here on the left. Now, on that scroll button, make sure every door in the hood's shut, and you should be able to scroll through these options, going up and down with that scroll. We're going to go down to maintenance, push it down. Okay, it says oil life 50%. We're going to go and reset this. Oops, let's go back. Push the home button to go back. We're going to go down to settings, push the enter, and then we're going to scroll down. We're going to go down to maintenance reset. There it is, maintenance reset. Push the button, push the scroll down. Now, maintenance reset, it'll say all due items. You just start scrolling and then it'll start giving you options. Now, depending on what item your oil change has been enlisted to, I mean, there's like item 3, item 4, but I just go to all due items and that'll reset it. Just push it and hold it. It says reset complete. And that's it, guys. That's how you reset the maintenance light on a 2022 Honda Civic Sport.